Hey, what's up all? Thanks so much for tuning back in. So if you're looking for a different way to help relieve muscle pain or back pain, or you're an athlete, weight builder, anything like that, and you have seen or have used cupping technology, then this Recover Fun smart cupping device is really awesome. Now it's totally different than any of those other ones out there like we've seen, like the TENS units, which I've reviewed a lot, which uses electric pulses to help relieve pressure and pain, and like the shiatsu massagers. This is totally different. So if you're not an athlete or have never used cupping technology, you've probably seen either videos or something on TV where they take these, sometimes they're glass cups, they'll maybe light a match to create a suction underneath it, and then it pulls on the skin. A lot of times they'll do it all over the back on the flatter surface areas of the skin. And what this does, it helps to pull out toxins and things like that, relieves muscle tension, a lot of different things. So a lot of people really do like that. And then you take it off and it looks like all these crazy red spots all over you, but it's gonna go away. Of course, if you have any type of like a blood thinning or thin blood, anything like that, and you're interested in it, recommend talking to a doctor, of course, to see if this is something that you could use, because you may end up bruising quickly. But for the most part, I've been checking this out. Now, I am by far no athlete, but I do a lot of work outside, and probably like a lot of you, come inside, your lower back hurts, you might got some tension up here, and even on your arms, your legs, and this thing is pretty cool. What I really like about this, I was a little skeptical. I said, well, look at the size of this. So it's a smart device, so it works with an app where you can control it if you want, or you could do it standalone. App was super easy to set up, connects right to the device. You do have some more features as far as timing, suction modes, things like that. But what I said, I was like, you know what? This is a small device. There's no way this is gonna have decent suction. So let me just show you, okay? So if I turn this on, it comes on nice and quick. You can see how it's running. You got that blue light there. Once it's on, it's gonna go red. Let's see if we can get it to go there. Obviously you have to get it on a part of your skin. Now look at that. You can probably see how that's coming up there and pulling on my skin. And yes, does it hurt? No, but it's pulling on it for sure to make that suction and pull out those toxins. So it's different than a lot of different other types of massage therapies out there. And you just let it run. Now that red light that you see going on is part of this, providing red light therapy, which is going to help the skin and the area that it's sucking these toxins out and doing all this to help it heal quicker. So that's really awesome that it has that. One thing, I'm not going to be able to put it on my wrist, anything like that, because there's not enough surface area. It has to be clear. Now you can see how it's kind of pulling on my skin here a little bit. Hopefully, let's see. You can see it pulling. And like I said, it pulls pretty hard. And you can set it if it's too much for you, or you can do different types of suctions where it starts and stops. Now, one thing that I did have a little bit of an issue with was like, okay, well, how do I get it to stop? The first time I was like, oh, this is really hurting, which it really wasn't. I was just exaggerating. But I was like, how do I get this off? Now, I tried on the app, I can stop it, but sometimes it takes a second or a few seconds to release the power. Even if you turn the power off, it's gonna take a little bit to release that. So what I just found is, honestly, just put your finger under it and just pull it. And if you needed to, you can totally just get it to release. Now, I don't really have a big red spot here or anything like that. You can see the outline. But when I did it, like on my thigh and things like that, I did definitely have a red spot, probably for like 20 minutes, and then it goes away. Now, this is completely different than, like I said, like how the TENS units work, because you can put those anywhere. How those shiatsu massagers, whether it's a chair massager or a handheld massager, those are all really great. But this, this can fit right in your luggage, can fit in your gym bag, anything like that. So you can just run that wherever. And super easy to use, a nice size. Now it comes with this, so for some reason, if you wanted to wear it around your neck, you can do that, and then you can just press this button and then easily release it from the chain. You can, I guess, put it on your key ring if you wanted to do that, right? Which would be kind of silly. And then also here, what they do include is this on screws, and they're just like, it's almost like a felt pad. It's just like a sanitary a ring that will go in there that you can switch out to keep things clean if you need to switch them. And then this runs with a rechargeable battery, which is a USB rechargeable, and it comes with that USB cable. So if you're looking to try something else out to help keep you feeling great and your muscles released and less tension, then you may want to check out the Recover Fun Smart Therapy device here.